Wominjeka, youre and beauty mobile legends. The true character of a human being, let alone a community, is not tested in times of comfort, but in times of stress and warfare and the pressures of the world upon us. And we are smashing through it. I've had some very, very big struggles, and I'm getting a lot of people calling me up, asking me, Uncle Jojo, what are we going to do? How are we going to get through this? Chin up, we are going to get through it. We will be able to push through it. We are in this together, and it's a global pandemic. Let us just give each other a hug, say, have a breath of fresh air. Well, actually, we might not be allowed to, but stick together, make sure that we're there for one another. I've got some great mates when I had a really bad trip and fall and ended up in a bottle for a couple of days. Me mates pulled me through it. So stay awesome and stay together.